Hey guys, welcome back or welcome if you're new. So today's video is going to be like the prep work and the behind the scene of Joshua's first birthday party. You're going to be seeing all the personalized decorations that I made, the shirts, few of the items that I ordered online, and then I'll also share some clips of the actual party. I try to capture as much as I can, and I'll go ahead and leave all the links down in the description box of anything that I purchased either through Amazon or other like decoration websites. I'll be sure to share that with you in the description box. The disposable table runners, I got that from the wholesale party supply website. I'll link everything down in the description box. The inflatable tires, I got that from Amazon. The checkered glasses are from Amazon. The balloons are from Amazon. Those flags are from Amazon. That runway that's like the road is from Amazon. The checkered table covers are from Amazon. The I forgot what those called. The orange cones are from Amazon, and I will admit I did regret purchasing those balloons from Amazon. They're just not the best quality. Normally I would get balloons to try to create garlands and my number mosaic from a website, but unfortunately the prices have increased and there are a lot of the colors that I needed were out of stock. So I decided to go with Amazon, and I lost so much balloons and I lost so much time just trying to work with them. So I probably wouldn't recommend it unless you're just trying to do something really quick, small. Maybe you can get away with it, but I did get those from Amazon. The checkered goodie bags, I got that from the wholesale party supply website as well. And those tire molded cups, you guys, those tire molded cups was such a hit. I feel like it's the perfect to go home gift in addition to the goodie bags. It worked perfectly with the theme, and I still kept some for the boys, and I really enjoy them. So these are just some clips of how I created the birthday shirts. I will make a separate video of creating like a whole completely different shirt eventually to kind of give you some step-by-steps of how to create them, what are the best places to purchase some supplies from, all that good stuff. But for these birthday shirts, I pretty much like to go online, look at some pictures for inspiration, and a lot of times these designs are like nothing too different from what other people have done, but I'll change the font to something that I like. I'll change like the image. Like I saw a lot of these files already on Etsy, but I didn't like the flag that they were using. I didn't like the card that they were using, so I just made my own. I found a free font online. I found the free card image that I had already been using in some of the designs that I was making, so I wanted to tie that in with our shirts, so that's what I did. And I also found like a racer flag online that I like better, and I added all those together, and that's how I got my design. So these are all the centerpieces that I made for the tables at the party. And what you're seeing behind it is this mosaic card that I was trying to do. I ran out of time and I just never got a chance to do it. But pretty much I was going to make that outline of the card 3D, and then I was going to fill it with balloons. And I thought that was going to be so cute. And unfortunately, I ran out of time, so I didn't get to use it. But looking forward to the other years of the other birthday parties that we plan on having, whether it's at home. I still do a little decoration for the boys, so I'm looking forward to that. So now is the day of the party, and while everybody is still asleep, I am up early in the morning blowing up some balloons and trying to get myself set up to set the actual venue up. So what I do is I blow the balloons and I tie them into clusters, and then I add them into this bag. It's easy to transport them in the car, but this is where things start to go wrong. A lot of the balloons were popping because, again, I got these balloons from Amazon. They just weren't the best quality, and it left like some color residue in my hand. So that was another thing. Just kind of really taking my time trying to do that, and it just was a fail, to be honest. So definitely do not recommend getting those balloons, but if you're just, pinch on time and budget, they'll get the job done. It's just going to take you some time to work with them. This is the birthday cake for Joshua. She did such a great job. This is the second time we went with this baker. She's a small business owner in Orlando, Florida. I'll probably upload like a small snippet of Michael's first birthday party because I'm sure you guys are interested to see how his first birthday party went. It's not a lot of clips and I wasn't really sharing as much, but if you're interested in seeing how Michael's first birthday cake looked and all that good stuff, leave me a comment down below and I'll eventually try to gather those footage and put it together. Now these are all the goodie bags. It's actually more than what you're seeing, but I want to just show you guys how those goodie bags turned out. That little sign in the front, I personalized, made that with my Cricut machine, and I just stick it in the front. Everybody had some candy, some extra little trinkets of toys, and also the checkered glasses. And you guys, we do everything on our own except for like we hire out for the soft play that you'll see them setting up. We'll get a caterer, just like some food that we will pick up from the caterer, and we'll have it where everybody will serve themselves like a buffet style. I purchased those linens from CV Linens. What else? My parents and a couple of my friends did help me set things up. You can kind of see them in the background. Unfortunately, I don't have the best clips because we do everything on our own. So unfortunately, I just don't have clips for everything. So I don't know if anybody noticed, but my number one mosaic is actually backwards, and I just felt so terrible. And I did not notice it until I looked back at the pictures. Husband Michael was telling me that nobody noticed, but to make myself feel better, I made Joshua another number one for his actual birthday. And you guys, Joshua didn't even look at it. I don't think he cared. He was more concerned about having fun on his actual birthday and at the party. I put music over these clips because we had like a little speaker that was playing some music that will be copyrighted. So I hope you enjoyed the music that's being played in the background. But I was inside that soft play all day, pretty much. The kids just truly enjoy it. They never want to leave. Michael, you couldn't tell him anything. In his mind, that was his party too. So both kids had such a great time. All the guests had a great time. And I just wanted to share as much as I can. I wish I had got more clips of everything, like all the decorations, the time that the kids were dancing, just everything. I realized I don't even have footage of the food, and before I could try to take a video or a picture, it was all gone. So I really hope you guys are enjoying what I was able to capture. Look at the birthday boy just enjoying his smash cake. So the number one that was on top of the cake was like a fondant kind of thing, and it was a little hard, and I was just afraid of like any choking hazard, so I did remove that from him. As you can see, he tried to put the whole thing in his mouth, and I just took it out his mouth. But Joshua had such a great time, and he enjoyed that cake. And on his birthday, he was so caked out. We did get him a little cake at home, and he didn't even care for it. So I think just having the cake smash and having his birthday cake, that was enough for him. And he tried to stick a big piece of cake with full of icing, and that icing hit him, and he was not a fan of that. Once the party is over, all the guests have left, we do stay behind and clean the entire venue because we are not trying to get charged any extended time or any cleanup services. So we do everything on our own. We'll clean up, we'll take out the trash and everything else. And like I mentioned before, since we are doing everything on our own, I don't get the ability to capture all the things that are taking place in the party, but we do get a caricature artist to do all the cartoon pictures for our guests free of charge to them. And I'll go ahead and share a picture of how ours turned out. But you guys, that is pretty much it. Thank you so much for all the well wishes and all the love that you guys showed Joshua on his birthday when I shared the pictures on the community tab and everywhere else that you guys were able to find me. I really appreciate it, and thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.